Welcome to the channel. Today, I will introduce to you an extremely useful tool that helps save time and increase efficiency in online marketing, automatic mass comment software. Let's explore now. Go to the viral marketing section, select the comment group feature. Then, paste the group list into the software. Along with that, select the content you want to comment on, then just press the start button and everything will be processed automatically. After commenting, it will automatically generate the article link for you. Please wait a few minutes. Here you can completely check your comments here. I will leave my Telegram and WhatsApp below. If you are interested in the software, please contact me. See you again in the next video.